Ngayon guys, maglalaro tayo ngayon ng ito. Dami kong games dito guys. Ito yung laruin ko, yung sa baba, yung kulay blue. Yan. Kung gusto niyo pong laruin, yan po yung pangalan niya. Gayahin nyo lang. Hintayin lang natin guys. Hintayin lang natin.
Alam mo, sorry ako. Put it down, you fool!
Ito po yung mga
There
kalaban
will
natin.
be no corruption in government.
Mga nag-aaral.
Put it down, you fool! Huli ako, especially to the enemies of the state. You! Kaya namunan niya po. Alam niyo yan.
Baguhan lang po sa laro nito guys. Kaya yun. Hindi pa ako gano'n kayaman dito sa laro na to.
Sila yung masama. Ako yung sasabi sa kanila na sabi nila yun. My God. I hate it.
Malisipan.
I said, we always try to suppress crime and drugs. I got you. Pwede maligaya ako. Put your back, fool! Put your back, you fool! Galit ako sa droga. Put your back, you fool! Put your back, you fool! Nasama tayo. Put your back! Put your back, you fool! Ikaw ba sa... Put your back, you fool! Gumawa ka ng masama, mauna talaga kayo. Put your back! I do not care if we were the highest in the country. Put your back! Put your back down! You
Patay na tayo dito. Guys. Nag-ads. Sorry, nag-ads. Yan lahat na napatay natin guys. 252.
We've been through a lot of fights
Makakatulong natin
together
yung sa taas guys. Yung
since
ilan yan.
1986.
Sa taas. Ang may dalawang patay. So wala tayong napatay. Zero.
It will be a clean government.
Sorry guys, zero.
Do not do it to the Philippines. you've done, you fool!
I got you.
Patay. So hanggang alas 3 lang tayo magbablog. Kasi
I came in like it rain.
Huwag ninyong lukuhin ang bayan.
No oras na.
I am the master of my fate and the captain of my soul.
Ayaw ko magpatali sa malaking negosyante o mga smuggler.
Pinutin niyo po.
Merry Christmas.
I came in like it rain.
Nag-ads guys. Nag-ads.
Talagang bully ako. In protecting the community.
What you've done, you fool! What you've done! What you've done!
Ako pumuntan Davao. Lalo na magdadala ko ng droga doon.
Lindsay Bon.
Boss ba kayo? Sa pagpusbong ng krimen at droga?
What you've done, you fool! Hindi ako nakakatik ng mga milagro na ito.
Pumuntan Davao. Lalo na magdadala ko ng droga doon.
What you've done! You fool!
Ilagay din yung sinaso ninyo sa
You!
Boto, lumabas ka dyan.
Tudo ko na ito.
Ayan. Boto, huwag mo iniwan ba to?
There will be no corruption in government.
What you've done!
Wala na, finish na.
I came in like it raging bull.
Change is coming, including your birthday, which will be changed to November 2.
Talagang bully ako, especially to the enemies of the state. Yan, ako na, hindi ako. Alam ninyo yan.
Ngayon ako nakakatik ng mga milagro na ito.
Sila yung masama, ako yung sasabi sa kanila na
will
tudong
strive
ko na
to
ito.
surprise. Ang tanda ko. Lalo na pagdala ko ng druga mo.
Level 1 pa lang pala ako guys.
Naging maligaya ako.
What you've done?
Sumasama tayo. Baka na natin.
What you've done? You fool! What you've done? You fool! What you've done? You fool!
Dito tayo sa English spoken.
What you've done? You fool! What you've done?
Drugs, criminality,
What you've done?
stuff.
What you've done? You fool! What you've done? What you've done? What you've done?
I hate drugs.
What you've done?
I got you. Kristuhin mo. Palabasin rin ang
Patay na!
I came in like a wrecking ball.
We've been through a lot of fights together since 1986.
What you've done?
Pag gumawa kayo ng masama, mauuna talaga kayo.
What you've done?
I do not care if we were the highest in the country. It will be a clean government. Do not do it to the Filipino. I got you.
Dodot lang.
Bayan.
What you've done? What you've done? You fool! What you've done? You fool!
Like
What you've done? You fool!
Sabi ni Mayor, dead or alive.
malaking negosyante o mga smuggler.
What you've done? You fool!
Ito na ang huli ninyo. Merry Christmas. Have mercy on their soul.
What you've done?
So hanggang dito na lang siguro ang vlog natin guys. So kung bago pa kayo sa aking YouTube channel, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Bye bye!